Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about replacing the word of a file in a Vim editor. Okay. So we need to first go to command mode by pressing escape, then colon. Okay. We need to write colon first, then we'll execute the command. Okay. So first range. Range means which rows you want to replace. Okay. Let's say if I write 2, 5, it will only affect row number 2 to row number 5. If I write percentage, it will affect all the rows of the file. Okay, after that s means substitute. Okay, then delimiter. Delimiter means anything you can write, like forward slash, hash, colon, anything you can write. It is used to separate the content, like pattern, replacement word or flags. It is just used to separate the things. Okay. Then pattern means the word you want to replace, and replacement means the new word that is to be placed in instead of the pattern. Okay. After that, flags, like if you don't give G, okay, then it will just replace the first matching word of a row. If you write G, then every matching words of a row will be changed. If you write I, means case insensitive. C for like whenever you want to replace word, it will ask you for permission. If you write Y, then only it will go and replace the word. Okay, so I have one file here, f1.txt. Let's go inside that using Vim. So I have some content here. Okay, hello world, something something. Let's say I want to change, replace some particular word. Okay, let's say here I am going to change hello. Okay, let's say. So now escape and colon. Okay, after that, let's say just I want to change 1 to 7. Okay. Then S. After that, forward slash. You can write colon here or hash or anything you can write here. It will just be used to separate your content. Then hello. Okay. Then let's say I'm giving something like this. Better to replace world. Okay. Because hello is only one enter here. Okay. So now I'll give I. I means case insensitive. If I see now, see here QWERTY, these are changed. Okay. So let me insert one more word here. Let's see. Okay. Now let's again execute the command. Colon. Let's say 127 S. Now I am giving colon. Okay. Instead of that forward slash. So here I will write world, again colon. Let's say ASTF, something like this. Then I. Now you can see these two world are not replaced. Here also the world is not replaced. Only the first matching keyword was replaced. Okay. If you want to change everything, so for this you need to give uh, let's say colon percentage s forward slash. Okay. Now I want this backward slash forward slash. It will be used for the escape character. Okay. If I give backward slash, it will mean key forward slash is there. Then boom. Okay. Now you can see it is selected. Okay. Again forward slash. It is the delimiter. Okay. This one is delimiter. First forward slash, and these two are representing one forward slash. Now it is the delimiter. Again, I just want to change something like let's say like this. Then G. Now the forward slash home got changed with QWER. Okay. But it is like confusing. Okay. Using forward slash, then again backward slash, then again forward slash. It's confusing. So better to use some different character for S delimiter. Let's say I am giving has, then I give home, again has, then let's say same again, then again has, or some GI anything. Now it was very simple. It got changed. Okay. So like this you can replace the content of a file using Vim editor.